Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Welcome to our Valentine's Day collab, also hosted by our amazing friend Angel McMillan. We have her channel linked in the description box below, as well as links to the playlist, so please check out everyone else's videos and get some amazing Valentine's Day motivation and inspiration. I'm going to be showing you a quick little DIY and my Valentine's Day decor for 2024. So let's get started. Okay, so what I have here is I have this left over from last year. I got it from Dollar Tree last year. Just a wooden ornament, as you can see the hole, but then I saw these this year. It's just a wooden heart. It's actually very light. I gotta take this off the bat, and okay, now, and that's what the little heart looks like. They're very neat. Now, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to see if this is going to work the way I want to do it first. See, this right here, it took me a long time to get that file down. It's actually a package of heart rings that I got from Dollar Tree this year. And I took the ring part off the back, you know, the round part that actually slides, put it on your finger. I cut that off, and then I filed it down with a sanding brick as flat as I could get it, because I just needed the top part. Now, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to color this part. I didn't feel like painting because it's going to take a lot of time and I have to wait for it to dry, and then I'm going to glue. I'm probably going to glue this on first, and then I'm going to color it, and then once I've done that, I'm going to glue this right in the middle, like that. See? It's going to look neat when it's done. And, so I'm going to start by gluing that down. I do have wood glue. I just got this wood glue. So, yeah. Of course, it doesn't want to come out. Hello. Weird. Okay, I'm not sure why this wood glue is not coming out. So, I'm doing the best I can here. Dang it. I can't get the wood glue to come out. I don't really have anything to poke it right now. I also have the super glue, which I hope will work and better not get all over my fingers. I'm hoping this will work, but I don't know if it will. I think it might be too dried out. Yeah. That's too dried out. I need to, be right back. Throw this away. I gotta figure out how to open that up and hope that this will stick with that, because I have to find some different super glue because that one's dried out. Okay, I'm back. I got a little clothespin here, and see if I can get this glue to open here. Little cap. There we go. Okay, now, I'm just going to glue this on first. Okay. Hold on, pick it up. Okay, now. Try to get it in the center as much as possible. There we go. And that's what you want to do. You can do whatever you want, but now I actually found these at Walmart. See, they were on clearance. Where can you get a box of 21 Sharpies for $5? And it was on clearance, so it was a very good deal, and I couldn't pass it up. So, this tape, however, there. let's see. I have red, but it doesn't want to come out. There we go. I also have a couple different pinks. Ooh. I was going to do red, but I think this might match more. What do you think? That or the light pink? Actually, light pink, because then I can go over, I can do what I want to do afterwards in the darker pink. Okay, so you got your heart like this, and now I was considering painting, but I decided that I didn't want to get all that out, and having to wait for it to dry, which is going to be a much longer video, I believe. See what I'm doing? You can color this any way you want. Again, I did get this heart from Dollar Tree last year. They have some different ones this year, but not like this. So, but yeah, like I said, I was thinking about painting, but oops, I changed my mind just because I didn't feel like getting all the paint out and then waiting for it to dry, because I knew that would make a much longer video, and I'm trying not to make super long DIY videos because my DIY videos tend to be a little bit long. So now if you want, you can paint or color around it. That does not want to stay on. Paint around this part of the heart too, but I think it just stands out better like this. But you can do what you like, depending on the colors, of course. I like this pink. It's weird because on this it looks a little bit darker than what is actually the color of the Sharpie, or what they made it seem like anyway. Ooh, that doesn't work. Now, I'm hoping that that glue will hold the little heart here. Hoping the wood glue will hold that on, because, well, I think it should. I figured my super glue was dried out. I hadn't used it in a while. I didn't even realize I had it. I have others, but I have to find them. Normally, I would consider using hot glue, but lately my hot glue gun has not been the best. After a while, oops, sorry about that. After a while, it seems to unstick, basically. I don't know why, but anyway, there we go. Okay, so it is actually pink, by the way. So now I'm gonna put that back. Okay, now what you want to do is you got your heart, and take your glue and then go around like this. Make sure you have enough glue on it, like that, and then it's gonna go right in here like that. Oops. As best in the middle as you can get it. There we go. And when that dries, it should stay. Look at that. That right there is just cool to me. I just had this idea in my head of that when I saw this ring. I was like, oh. But yeah, so that's basically a decoration. You can put it anywhere. You could probably glue a string on it of some sort if you want to make it a hanging decoration. But yeah. Now, I want to add a word onto it. I mean, it looks great like that. I just want to add one more thing. And, I'm not show what color to put that in because I don't have white. I have a white, but it's not a Sharpie. Oops. Okay. So, I don't know what's going to show up, but because I thought the pink was going to be a little bit lighter because that's what the pen was showing it as, a little bit lighter, or the Sharpie, but I guess not. So I guess I'll try red. Alright. There. I'm just writing the word love. You can kind of see it. I don't know if I've ever seen a white Sharpie. I do have a metallic Sharpie. It's like a silver. I'm not sure that would go. I mean, it might go, but I just wanted to add a word on there. So there you go. And that's my idea. So, yeah. Okay, so I'm going to start with my dresser area. Of course, I have this Valentine Sally that I got last year. I have this little Valentine heart necklace thing. I've had that for, I don't know how long, a very long time. Of course, I have my Happy Valentine's Day sign that I made last year. There's a little heart right in there. And then this is the one I made this year. I like how that turned out. And I got this, which I believe was like a M&M tube topper or something. I got another little heart right here. There's two things back here. This little dog right here, and then right behind the Hershey bar, that little dude. Those are little Valentine's gifts that my dad gave me a long time ago. Then, of course, I have my Valentine's sprays and lotions and stuff. So, I got the wild strawberry lotion. I have the pink velvet cupcake back there, and romantic wish right here. And then up here, which they have at Dollar Tree this year as well, my heartstring light. I put it right there. So that's cool. So that's basically all I have over here. I want to have a little heart right there too as well. See, I like these little hearts. So then, on my chair here, got my Valentine's Day Cam, my Valentine's Piper, that's her name. She actually has a little Hershey kiss on her right there. I got those two last year. And I got my Valentine's Narwhal this year from, you can see a little heart on her, from a Dollar Tree. And then this is my Valentine's Day Minnie Mouse that Rob bought me a couple years ago. So I have those. And then I have my bookshelf here. I made this last year. It was actually a pack of these bracelets that were, you know, they're kind of like little rubber bracelets, but it didn't fit me. So this chain thing here is a pain in the butt, but I finally got it to work again. So I put that right there. That's basically all I have here. And then this is going to be quick because I told you I don't really have that much, because lastly I have this hanging right here is my heart thing that I made last year. So there we go. So yeah, that is pretty much it. I don't really have that much Valentine's stuff. I never did. Probably never will. And as you can see, most of it is the same. I haven't really got anything new this time. There's not really much to get. So, the most decor stuff that I have is for Halloween and Christmas. Obviously, my two favorite holidays. But yeah, I try to have some stuff for each holiday. And this is what I have for Valentine's Day. So again, I made that last year, and I finally got it to go back together. That was the worst string to use for that, because it just does not want to stay. But again, but like I said, I finally got it, so that's cool. And again, I got these guys. A Minnie Mouse from Rob right there. And of course, what little that I have over here. Sadly, the sign, I made that sign last year in a DIY video, so that heart, well, those 3 hearts right there. Oh, and this thing right here, I almost forgot about. It's kind of like a bead buddy thing. It was a 2-pack. There was a pink one and a red one. I gave the red one to Rob, but he probably doesn't have it anymore. You know, after cleaning everything out and such. Anyway, that was an accident. And of course, my string lights. Up here and that stuff there. So yeah, that is pretty much it. There you go. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, subscribe, comment. Don't forget to click that little bell icon so you know when next video is coming out. And don't forget to check out our amazing friend Angel's channel. We'll have her channel linked in the description box below, as well as a link to the playlist with all the other amazing videos. Get some great Valentine's Day inspiration. And as always, all of our social media will also be linked in the description box below. And thank you for watching.